Alright, and we're back. So, I had someone come out today to work on the gutters because they're clogged up and it's fall. Or rather, it's winter now at this point. And he was working on, moving the ladder around the yard, and I came out and it looked like a branch was snapped off the pawpaw tree. So I wanted to just document real quick how I fixed that. It was bent down all the way to the ground. It was snapped off pretty badly. So what I did was I bent it right back to the trunk and then just wrapped it up and tied it, and we'll see what happens. I've done this a couple times and it's like, it seems to be hit or miss whether or not it's going to take, or whether or not it's going to heal again. But I wanted to do it because this is a pretty significant branch on this pawpaw tree, and the pawpaw tree is, I don't know, it's like 6 feet tall. It's not that tall, and this is like, I don't know, a third of the tree, so that would be bad if that died. So we'll see what happens. Here's a good look at what I did. I just kind of wrapped it around, and then around the branch here, and then around the trunk again, and then tied it. So we'll see what happens. It feels pretty stiff at this point. I don't know. We'll know in the spring, I guess, or actually we'll know probably sooner than that after we start seeing like the tip die back here, and then we'll know that it probably didn't work. So if you're walking around your garden and you see some branches that are busted up and it happened recently, this could be a quick way to fix it.